Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe. From today we are starting the series on some applications of trigonometry, and this is the first episode. In this first episode we will see few questions, and daily I will upload one video regarding some applications of trigonometry. So let us move to the first question. So the first question is on the screen. If two towers of height h1 and h2 subtends an angle 60 degree and 30 degree respectively at the midpoints of the line joining their feet, find h1 and h2. Here friends, AB and CD are the two towers whose heights are h1 and h2. These two towers subtends an angles of 60 degree and 30 degree at the midpoint of the line joining the foot of the tower. So this is the line, BD is a line joining the feet of the two towers, and the angle subtended by tower AB at the midpoint is 60 degree, and the angle subtended by tower CD at midpoint, that is E point, is 30 degree, and we have to find the ratio of h1 is to h2. So friends, here let us assume that BE is x and ED is also x, because E is the midpoint of BD, and therefore first we will talk about triangle ABE. So in triangle ABE, in triangle ABE, tan 60, that is equal to tan theta, means opposite upon adjacent, so that will be h1 upon x, so it will be h1 upon x. Tan 60 is root 3, so it will be root 3, which is equal to h1 upon x. So here you will get h1 is equal to, take this x to other side, it will be x root 3. Let this be equation number 1. Now we will talk about the triangle CED. So here triangle CED, in triangle CED, tan 30, that is equal to opposite upon adjacent, that is h2 upon x. So tan 30, that is equal to h2 upon x, but tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, the value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, so which is equal to h2 upon x. Now solve this further. So here you will get it, h2 is equal to, take x to this side, so it will be x upon root 3. So here let this be equation number 2. Here you have got h1 is equal to x root 3 and h2 is equal to x upon root 3. Now I solve this further here. So here we have to find the ratio of h1 upon h2. So we will take the ratio of equation 1 and 2. So it will be h1 upon h2, that is equal to x root 3 upon x upon root 3. So which is equal to, this we will take reciprocally multiplied, so it will be x root 3 multiplied by root 3 upon x. So here this x and x will get cancelled and it will be root 3 into root 3, that will be 3. So h1 upon h2, that is equal to 3 upon 1, and therefore the required ratio is 3:1, and therefore you will write the answer h1 is to h2, that is equal to 3:1. Highlight this. Now friends, let us see the another question. And the question is on the screen. A man standing on the deck of a ship which is 10 meters above water level observes the angle of elevations of the top of a hill at 60 degree and angle of depression of the base of the hill at 30 degree. Find the distance of the hill from the ship and the height of the hill. Here CD is a deck of a ship and a man from the deck of the ship observing the top of the hill. AB is a hill and the bottom of the hill, and it is said that the height of the deck is 10 meter, and since the height of the deck is 10 meter, BE will also be 10 meter. And we have to find the distance of the hill from the ship. Distance of the hill from the ship, it means we have to find this distance. And the second thing, we have to find the height of the hill. It means we have to find AB also. These two things you have to calculate. So here friends, it is said that the angle of elevation of the top of the hill is given at 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. And the angle of depression of the bottom of the hill is given as 30 degrees. Now first we will assume that triangle CEB. So in triangle CEB, why we are taking this triangle first? Because this side we know. If you take this triangle first, then we do not know CE as well as AE. Here one side we know, so that the other side we can find. And therefore in triangle CEB, cot 30, that is equal to adjacent upon opposite. So adjacent upon opposite, that is CE upon BE. So CE upon BE. And so cot 30 is root 3, which is equal to CE, that we do not know, and BE is 10 meter, so upon 10 meter. Now take 10 to this side, we will get CE, which is equal to 10 root 3 meter. This is, let the number 1. And we have to find DB also. We have to find DB also. Therefore, the length or distance of hill from ship, that is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Now here we will take this another triangle, triangle AEC. So in triangle AEC, in triangle AEC, in triangle AEC, tan 60 is equal to opposite upon adjacent. So tan 60, that is equal to opposite side, that is AE upon adjacent is CE, but CE is what? 10 root 3, so it will be 10 root 3. And so here we will solve this further. Tan 60 is root 3, cot 60 is root 3, tan 60 is also root 3, so AE upon 10 root 3. Now take 10 root 3 to this side, so root 3 into root 3 will be 3, and 10 into 3, that will be 30. So AE is equal to 30. So this AE is equal to 30. We have to find the height of the hill. So 30 plus this 10, that total will be the height of the hill, and therefore height of hill that is equal to 30 plus 10, that is equal to 40 meters. And so we have got the distance of a hill from the ship, that is 10 root 3 meter, and the height of the hill as 40 meters. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon so that the notification of newly uploaded video will reach to you and you will not miss any of the video. So friends, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.